Hi, welcome to NASA's Langley Research Center. I'm Director Clayton Turner, and on behalf of the NASA Langley family, we are delighted that you're joining us for our open house. Before any aircraft or rocket takes off or a satellite is launched into orbit, someone did the research to first see if it was possible and then figured out how to make it happen. Our wonder changes the world. Let's take a look.
In aeronautics, we are helping you to get where you need to go by creating new, faster, safer, and cleaner modes of flight, including advanced air mobility and supersonic travel over land. Our science researchers are deepening humankind's understanding of our atmosphere and climate so that you can breathe easier. The data collected by our Earth-observing satellites, sensors, and airborne research campaigns helps us learn more about our home planet, its atmosphere, and how we can protect it. Through NASA's Artemis missions, we're going back to the moon for scientific discovery, economic benefits, and inspiring the next generation of explorers. NASA Langley's contributions are refining spacecraft and developing the instrumentation for safe takeoffs and landings. We're shaping Artemis mission architecture so that we can one day live and work on the moon. At the same time, we're developing business approaches to advance space commerce. And we're always looking to inspire the Artemis generation by exploring our universe further with a focus on Mars.
Our work and accomplishments are a tribute to the many talented, smart, dedicated, and energetic people who are behind everything that we accomplish. And we're always looking for new team members. Learn more about Langley and how to get involved at nasa.gov/Langley. Kamiko, tell our guests more about what they'll see today.
Hello, we're happy to see you today, and we hope you enjoy your visit. While you're here, you can talk to the world's foremost scientific, mathematic, and engineering minds. Learn how Langley is supporting NASA's return to the moon and plans to send humans to Mars. Explore labs that are testing new ways to measure changes in the Earth's atmosphere and wind tunnels testing spacecraft and supersonic aircraft. Tour Langley's historic hangar, where the Mercury 7 and Apollo astronauts trained, and where today an impressive fleet of aircraft support missions all over the world. Try hands-on activities, or perhaps test your skills in a flight simulator. And young explorers should plan to visit our Kids Zone for hands-on STEM activities that will make learning an out-of-this-world experience.
NASA Langley Research Center is a truly remarkable place. Today, we open our doors to you and welcome you as part of the extended NASA family. Make sure you see where we reach for new heights to reveal the unknown for the benefit of humankind.